So this place is called The Lab, and it's actually the anti-mall. There's also, it is a really just a quaint little place where there's a lot of different shops and eateries and a lot of different things that are very hip. So you may want to check this out in Orange County.
So we are the Vegan Vagabonds. We're going to take you through the anti-mall here in Costa Mesa. And what we're going to do is we're going to eat at one of our favorite vegan restaurants, which is Skybirds, and we will be there. Seabirds, and we will be there too. Thanks.
Here's another sign. It's called The Lab Anti-Mall, and then there's always a lot of art display. So this is, and they change this all the time. So this season it says, you know, don't think about making art, just get it done. Let everyone else decide if it's good or bad, whether they love it or hate it.
And
here it is, Seabirds Kitchen.
So Seabirds is a fully vegan restaurant, and as you can see, there's some wonderful offerings here. They got the burnt Brussels sprouts and potato taquitos and beer battered tacos and grilled mushroom tacos, and they have the large plates with the butternut enchiladas and the barbecue burger. Again, everything is vegan. They have mocktails here and house drinks and organic wine and cocktails, and looks like they have some wonderful desserts that I'm sure Jeanette and I are going to try.
So this is the corn chowder, and it's pretty fresh. I'm not sure what this is, but it added some little crunch, and it has fresh corn, and it's very tasty. It's very good.
Outstanding. So I'm trying the corn chowder. It has some wonderful flavors here. It has some green garnish along with corn. I'm going to go ahead and try it here. Definitely has flavors of nutmeg, some cinnamon perhaps, even some pepper. Has a little kick to it too. It's really delicious. Really good.
So this is a grilled mushroom taco, and it has some pickled onions as well as cilantro and just the grilled onions. I mean the grilled mushrooms. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it.
So how would you describe the flavors, honey?
It's really savory. It has a lot of seasonings, while the pickled onions give it a lot of flavor, as well as the cilantro. And I would say it probably has some seasonings on it, and it's grilled, and it's just very delicious.
So I'm doing the rigatoni here, and it looks delicious. It has all kinds of seasoning, beautiful pasta with these wonderful cream kind of tops with this wonderful crunch. Let me see what it tastes like. Very filling, very hearty kind of meal. It's a cool day now in Costa Mesa, and definitely goes along with the corn chowder, and definitely very flavorful. So I'm going to try this mushroom taco, and let's see, here it goes.
How would you describe?
Very savory, very filling. The mushroom gives it a very interesting flavor. There's definitely seasonings that are consistent with a Mexican taco. It has some refreshing greens in it, as well as we have parsley and maybe some pickled turnip or arupa, and it's really good.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this pasta here. It looks like it has some cilantro as well as some pesto on it and some nuts. And I'm not really, and it's probably some cashew cream here. Wow.
So how would you describe the flavors, hon?
Yeah, it's the pesto gives it a lot of flavor. I really like it, and it's very tasty.
Outstanding.
So these are Brussels sprouts, and they have some garlic in them, and they're kind of burnt and savory, and so I'm gonna go ahead and try them.
So how would you rate these burnt Brussels sprouts? And we're kind of an expert on Brussels sprouts these days. What do you think?
These are pretty good.
Would you say in the top 5?
Yeah, I think that they're pretty good. I like the fact that they're not oily. Obviously I love garlic, so garlic always gives everything good flavor, so I'm okay with that. So, but yeah, it's delicious.
Outstanding, huh?
So we decided to order dessert, and this is chocolate mousse, and it's made with avocado. So it has some gluten-free Oreos and some whipped cream. I have to dig deep to get to the mousse. Oh, here we go. Pretty yummy. Let's try this. It's very creamy and very delicious.
Outstanding, honey. I know you like your mousse.
I give this a 10 plus.
Ooh, 10 plus. She does not give high scores. She loves it, obviously. Okay, so she says a 10 plus, and if she says it's a 10 plus, that means she really loves it. So let's take a look what we got here. Oh my God, look at the multiple colors, the deep dark mousse, and the looks like a cake and maybe the white cream. Let's check it out. Oh my God.
What's your thought?
And the crunchies on top. Oh yeah. Absolutely a 10 plus. Outstanding. I'm gonna eat as much as I can before she figures it out. So here we go.
So we just finished having dinner at Seabirds Kitchen. There's a lot of other eateries here, and it's just a really nice place to hang out.
Here's another plant-based donut shop right here.
Right.
Good Town Donuts. And as you can see, the anti-mall is really cool. Has a lot of interesting places to hang out. We have this wonderful outdoor record store, old vinyl and an old trailer. We got these incredible stores. Looks like we got a little hall tree with little messages on here. Very cool.
Called the Wishing Tree.
The Wishing Tree.
Yeah.
And take a look at this beautiful purple tree. And even the trash cans are interesting.
Yeah.
Look at this wonderful cat.
I thought you saw that.
And let's take a look at this outdoor sculpture, honey.
Yeah, there's a waterfall
Made out of hazardous waste bins. You gotta love the irony. And of course, you
There's
couldn't
a
be,
tunnel.
you have to go through a tunnel, but it's of old CDs and DVDs. And for you millennials, you probably don't even know what these are. But take a look how wonderful it is just to go through this tunnel of CDs and DVDs. Really, really cool. And they even,
They just opened a Lebanese eatery.
Oh,
We'll have to.
wow.
We're gonna have to try that.
we'll definitely have to try the Lebanese eatery.
So these are all the different things that they have here. So
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
And look, they even put a VW smashed on the building as art. So right there, you could see up on top of this trailer, you could see this old VW.
well, they sell a lot of different plants here.
Oh yeah, they got plans, and of course, right? But you gotta love the outdoor fountain. Really, really cool. Hazardous waste drums,
So if
waterfall.
you guys are ever in Orange County, Costa Mesa, feel free to come and enjoy all these little shops.
Come to the Anti-Mall, enjoy it. We are the Veggie Vagabonds, Adventure of the Veggie Vagabonds.
So when I was a little girl, I used to love to play hopscotch. So here I go. All right. I don't think it was this long, but there you go.
You got your exercise in
Yeah.
for today.
Thanks.
Great, honey.